Alright guys, this Faceless YouTube channel made over $220,000 in just 3 months by uploading motivational and philosophical videos. Their top video hit over 800,000 views, and the channel itself has more than 1.3 million views. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start your own YouTube automation channel using the same method. No fluff, just real value. We'll cover everything: setting up the channel, designing logos, writing scripts, and making your first video. Step 1. Setting up the YouTube channel and branding. First up, we need a YouTube channel and branding. On the right-hand side, click on your profile icon, then switch accounts, and scroll down to View All Channels. Finally, hit Create a Channel, and just like that, you're ready to go. Now, we need a name for the channel. Here's a little trick. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest names based on the channel we're modeling. I've prepared a prompt for this, which I'll include in the Google Doc. Once you've selected a name, paste it into the channel's name field and come up with a suitable username as well. After that, tell ChatGPT the name you chose and ask it to generate a concise, engaging channel description. Be sure to include emojis for that extra bit of flair and engagement. When you've got the description ready, paste it into your bio. To design a logo, we'll use an AI image generator. My go-to is Leonardo AI. The channel we're modeling uses monks and philosophers as their characters, but we're going to take a different approach and come up with something more unique. Let's ask ChatGPT for a list of character ideas that exude wisdom and intelligence, something that visually reminds viewers of Stoic philosophers or Shaolin monks. Once we've chosen a character from the list, we'll ask ChatGPT for the specific text prompt we need to generate our logo using an AI tool like Leonardo AI. Head over to Leonardo AI, click on Image Generation, and set the image dimensions to 800 by 800, YouTube's logo format. I prefer using Leonardo's photorealistic effect, but feel free to experiment with other styles. Now, paste the text prompt from ChatGPT and generate a few versions until you find one you like. Download it and upload the logo to your YouTube studio. Step 2. Content creation process. All right, we've got our channel and branding done, so let's move on to the video creation process. Instead, I'm going to show you my secret weapon for creating viral scripts, an AI tool called Tube Magic. Once you've created an account on Tube Magic, go to the Video Ideas section on the left-hand side. Let's use the channel we're modeling as a guide and paste their user handle into Tube Magic. Go to their channel, sort their videos by popularity, and copy the title of the top-performing video. Back in Tube Magic, navigate to the Video Scripts tool and paste the title. Choose the General Script option and set the word count to around 500 for a 3-minute video. Shorter videos tend to perform better in this niche. Boom! Tube Magic will generate a highly engaging script for us. Step 3. Creating voiceovers. Now that we've got our script, it's time to create the voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs. On 11 Labs, choose a voice that fits the tone of your video. I like using Adam, a popular voice that often goes viral. Go ahead and paste the script into 11 Labs, but make sure to break it into segments of under 700 characters for better expressiveness. Once you've generated the voiceover, download it, and let's move on to creating the visuals. We'll go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate visuals that complement our script. The key here is to make them 3D, hyper-realistic, and colorful. I'll have the prompt for generating these visuals in the Google Doc as well. Now, use Leonardo AI to generate each of the images. You'll want to keep a consistent style throughout the video, so a little trick is to lower the strength of the image guidance tool to around 0.15 to maintain the same visual style across all images. Step 4. Animating visuals. Once we've got our visuals, we're ready to animate them using Leonardo's built-in animation tool. Simply click Add Motion and adjust the settings to create a dynamic, engaging sequence. Repeat this process for each image to complete your B-roll. A script from Tube Magic, a voiceover from 11 Labs, visuals from Leonardo AI, and a strong game plan. But wait, we're missing one last thing: music. Step 5. Finding background music. For free background music, I recommend checking out YouTube's own audio library. You can search by genre, mood, and instrument to find the perfect track for your video. Alternatively, you could also use platforms like Artlist or Epidemic Sound if you're willing to invest a little in high-quality music tracks. Once you've downloaded the music, drag it into your video editor, lower the volume to around 10% to 15%, and place it under the voiceover. Now, your video is almost ready to be uploaded. Step 6. Video editing and final touches. Next up, video editing. A free professional-grade video editing software. Import the visuals, voiceover, and background music into the software, and start by syncing the visuals with the voiceover. Add smooth transitions between scenes, and make sure to cut out any unnecessary pauses or filler audio to keep the pace engaging. To give your video an extra boost, I recommend adding text, overlays, pop-ups, and animations. Simple on-screen text can highlight important quotes or key messages from the video, and adding visual elements like motion graphics can help retain audience engagement. Step 7. Thumbnails and titles. This is one of the most important steps. Your video's thumbnail and title can make or break your success on YouTube. Use tools like Canva to design your thumbnail, or if you're experienced with design, you could create one from scratch using Photoshop. Focus on bold, contrasting colors and include a simple yet powerful text that draws attention. For the title, make sure it's both clickable and relevant. Include keywords that reflect the core message of your video and entice viewers to click. Something like "The Untold Truth About How I Made $100,000 in 3 months" works wonders in this niche. Step 8. Optimizing for SEO. Lastly, we can't forget about SEO, search engine optimization. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to help you optimize your video's title, description, and tags for maximum visibility. Start by identifying relevant keywords and make sure to incorporate them naturally into your video title and description. Also, add a few hashtags related to your niche and niche-specific tags to help YouTube better categorize your video. This will increase the chances of your video being discovered through search results and suggested videos. And that's it, guys.